Woodpeckers are a diverse group of birds in the family Picidae, known for their distinctive drumming behavior as they peck at tree trunks to find insects or create nesting cavities. There are over 240 species of woodpeckers, each adapted to specific habitats across the globe. While they are commonly associated with dense forests, woodpeckers inhabit a wide range of environments, from tropical rainforests and temperate woodlands to arid deserts and urban areas. These habitats influence their size, plumage, diet, and specialized behaviors. Pileated woodpecker. The pileated woodpecker, Dryocopus pileatus, is one of the largest woodpeckers in North America, recognizable by its striking red crest and black and white plumage. These woodpeckers are primarily found in dense, mature forests across the eastern United States, Canada, and parts of the Pacific Northwest. Pileated woodpeckers prefer forests with large trees, which offer ample space for nesting and an abundant supply of carpenter ants, a primary food source. With powerful chisel-like beaks, they excavate large rectangular holes in trees, often leaving behind signs of their feeding activity. Their drumming and loud calls resonate through the forest, making them a conspicuous presence. These birds are critical to forest ecosystems as they create nesting cavities that later provide shelter for other animals, including owls, bats, and squirrels. Downy and hairy woodpeckers. The downy, Dryobates pubescens, and hairy woodpeckers, Leuconotopicus villosus, are common species found throughout North America and are often mistaken for each other due to their similar black and white markings. However, the downy woodpecker is smaller and has a shorter bill. Both species are highly adaptable, thriving in various habitats, including deciduous forests, parks, gardens, and even urban areas. They often forage on smaller branches and twigs, pecking for insects like beetle larvae, ants, and caterpillars. Their adaptable diet and ability to use both natural tree cavities and man-made nest boxes make them resilient to habitat changes. Despite their similar appearances, the downy woodpecker is more commonly found in suburban settings, while the hairy woodpecker prefers mature woodlands and forests. Green woodpecker. Native to Europe, the green woodpecker, Picus viridis, is known for its olive green back, yellow rump, and red crown. This species favors open woodland habitats, particularly those with grassy areas where it can forage for ants, a key component of its diet. Green woodpeckers have a unique adaptation for feeding: their long, sticky tongues, which allow them to extract ants from the soil. Unlike many other woodpeckers, the green woodpecker spends a lot of time on the ground, searching for ant hills rather than primarily pecking on trees. Common in the United Kingdom and across parts of Europe, these woodpeckers are well adapted to mixed woodlands, farmlands, and suburban areas with open grassy patches. Acorn woodpecker. The acorn woodpecker, Melanerpus formicivorus, is a highly social and unique woodpecker species found in western North and Central America. Known for its striking black and white plumage and red cap, this species has a unique behavior of storing acorns in specialized granary trees, where they drill holes to cache food supplies for winter. Acorn woodpeckers live in family groups and exhibit cooperative breeding, with multiple generations assisting in raising young and defending the territory. They thrive in oak woodlands and mixed forests, where acorn availability is high. This bird's habitat selection, social structure, and food-storing behavior are adapted to environments that experience seasonal variations in food availability, highlighting their ecological flexibility and social intelligence. Gila woodpecker. The Gila woodpecker, Melanerpes europygialis, is a desert specialist, commonly found in the arid regions of the southwestern United States and Mexico. Recognizable by its light brown body and distinctive black and white barred wings, the Gila woodpecker has adapted to the desert by nesting in saguaro cacti. They excavate cavities in these tall cacti where the inside remains cooler than the harsh outside temperatures, providing a safe nesting site for their young. Their diet includes insects, fruits, berries, and even nectar from desert plants, allowing them to thrive in these dry environments. The Gila woodpecker's relationship with cacti creates nesting opportunities for other desert wildlife, as abandoned cavities become shelter for species like elf owls and kestrels. Great spotted woodpecker. The great spotted woodpecker, Dendrocopus major, is a medium-sized woodpecker found across Europe and parts of Asia. It is easily recognized by its black and white plumage with bright red markings on its vent and under the tail. This species is highly adaptable and inhabits a variety of forest types, from deciduous and coniferous woodlands to parks and gardens. The great spotted woodpecker is known for its loud drumming, used both to establish territory and attract mates. Feeding primarily on insects during the warmer months, it switches to nuts and seeds in winter, often seen visiting bird feeders. This adaptability in diet and habitat makes it one of the most widespread woodpeckers across Europe, a valuable member of forest ecosystems as both a predator of tree pests and a creator of nesting cavities for other animals. In summary, woodpeckers are a remarkably diverse group, each species uniquely adapted to its environment, from the temperate forests of North America to Europe's open woodlands and the arid deserts of the Southwest. Their specialized behaviors, feeding habits, and nesting practices reveal the intricate ways in which woodpeckers have evolved to thrive across varied ecosystems, showcasing their ecological importance in maintaining forest health and supporting biodiversity. The next time you see a woodpecker, ask yourself which species it is and analyze its colors and behaviors. Before you know it, you will be a woodpecker expert. Please like and subscribe to my channel to be alerted when I post more informative content.